Hi friends, welcome to Veggies and Herbs. I am Ruben Malale. Now today's video I'm excited to take you along as we do some simple garden tasks as we get ready for winter. So I will just be harvesting some dry seeds, removing some bell pepper plants, and also harvest some herbs to store and to dry. So let's get started. So these dry beans, I started them very early in September, and the plan was to dry them, and I think they've waited. They're welcome. So they've been here for quite some time. So today I will just go ahead and harvest these beans. Let's go. So these are the beans that I harvested. They're looking quite nice. These are beautiful beans. So I like to grow them for dry cooking. They can be used in stews. So I'm looking forward to pour this at a later stage. But these are the beans. Next, let's go and harvest some of the bell peppers that are still left, and then I will be removing these bell peppers because this is already the second year and they have been so productive. So I think it's time now to harvest some of the bell peppers and then also remove them to make space for some other winter crop. Let's go. So there's some bell peppers right there. You can see the plant looks a little tired here, shape. So I think it's just right to harvest the bell peppers that are still left, and then remove these plants. Let's go. Decent one. Okay. It's the way. So these are the bell peppers, the last harvest. Yeah. So what I'll be doing, I'll just be using this and put them on my compost pile. I already have collected some leaves that I will be using as bulk for my next compost round. Yeah, so this compost I think should be ready for harvest now. I have been almost 9 months now that this compost burner has been cooking. So, but I've been lazy, I've not been stirring it. So let's just quickly check up on that as well. Yeah. So I think this compost is ready to be harvested. Most of the stuff has broken down with the exception of some bones. Yeah, but I will be harvesting this next week. I'll make a video about this compost. It smells nice. Yeah. Now the next task is to harvest some of the herbs. So I would like to mix a herb mixture, dried herb mixture with some thyme, some sage and some rosemary. So today I just want to start a process. So I'll be harvesting some of the herbs. So in my jungle garden, I do have some thyme. So let's harvest some of this. So just take a so just take a bit. So here I have some thyme, I have some sage, and some rosemary. So the idea is to hang them inside, to dry it out maybe for 2 weeks, and then once it's dry, I'm hoping to make a mixture. I will definitely keep you up to date on how this project is going. So stay tuned. So check out for that video. So on this side, I also have basil that is growing quite nicely. And on the other side, I have some of the basil that is going to seed. So I would like to allow the seeds to form, and then I will harvest the seed and then harvest the whole plant. But we have this beautiful basil here. Since it is a herb that is good for summer, I will just harvest the whole plant, leave the roots. So I will also be drying this basil and then also use it as dry basil over the winter. So yeah, so these are some of the tasks that I'm doing in getting things up and running for my winter garden. If you are preparing for your winter garden, please let us know what you are doing. But thank you so much for the subscribers, for those who are supporting the channel, much appreciated. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Keep on sowing and growing. Peace.